Hello again. Time changes except if you're in the darkness. I'm now going to give you a playlist of elder goth tunes, and I hope that you enjoy it. This is what elder goths will listen to. If you have any other ideas of what songs you'd like me to play or listen to, can you let me know in the comments, please? So I'm going to play you about 10 seconds of the song, then I'm going to give you a bit of a backstory, and then I'm going to give you another 10 seconds of the song. I can't play you the whole song because of copyright issues. So as usual, I have my trusty notebook with me because I can't remember all the facts about all of these songs, so I'll read them out for you. So that was Bela Lugosi's Dead by Bauhaus. It was released in 1979 and it's widely regarded as the foundational track for Gothic rock. It was the first goth song ever released, allegedly. It's still regularly played at goth events. What do you think about this track? Do you think it's any good? So the next song is by my favourite band ever. See if you can guess who that is. It's A Forest by The Cure. Released in 1980, it's a mesmerising bass line. Dark and minimalist, The Forest symbolises alienation, obsession and emptiness. Still played at Cure's live set, which I've seen 31 times. So here's another 10 seconds of it. Oh, it's the best bit. Into the tree. So I hope you like that. Here's the next song. This is Spellbound by Siouxsie and the Banshees, released in 1981. It's about an enchantment, obsession and possession, still played regularly at goth nights and recently covered by Duran Duran. So I hope you like that one. So here's the next song. So that was The Temple of Love by the Sisters of Mercy. That was released in 1983, but the version you heard was re-released in 1992 with the lady singing over the top. It's regarded as a goth anthem. It's one of the most iconic songs by the band and all-time goth music. So I hope you like that one. So here's the next one. So that was Tower of Strength by The Mission, which was released in 1988. Gradually building layered and chiming, a regular marching beat helped push goth music into the more mainstream audience. So I hope you like that one. So now we go on to my next choice. So I hope you like that one as well. So that was Rain by The Cult. That was released in 1985. That just doesn't seem possible. It has a steady rhythm that keeps grounded and hypnotic, helps The Cult move from a rock band to a more mainstream band. I can't unhear, but they sound like they're saying, "I love Lorraine." Who's Lorraine? Do you ever think that? I bet you will now, won't you? I love Lorraine. So I hope you like that one as well. If you like one of the songs by the same band, but it's a different song to what I've played, let me know in the comments. I'll have a listen. So my next one, here it comes. That was Eloise by The Damned, released in 1986 as a dramatic sound ending in a crescendo about obsession and longing. It cemented The Damned's move from punk rock to goth. So I'll play you a bit of that crescendo now, if you like. So I hope you like that one as well. So here is the next one. You may notice that there's 2 Sisters of Mercy songs in this playlist, which is a bit weird considering that they don't consider themselves to be goths. What do you think? I think they could be actually trying to alienate their whole audience, because I went to see them in May this year at the Roundhouse and the whole audience were goths. Who's going to turn up if they're not goth? So I hope you like that one. Here comes the next one. I still believe in God, but God no longer believes in me.
I still believe in God, but God no longer believes in me.
So that is Wasteland by The Mission. Came out in 1986. Oh, I remember that being on Top of the Pops the first time. Definitely a goth anthem searching for spirituality in a barren world. So that was my 10 favourite goth track anthems, my Elder Goth playlist. So have you got any others that you like that I could add to that? I know I have others that I like, but I was choosing the most popular 10 goth anthems. What are your favourite ones? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. There are loads and loads of goth videos already on my channel, and there's more coming up.